acting real rude, bad attitude, acting real goofy. But if I get kicked out, I'ma make it look pretty. Make it pretty, make it pretty, make it pretty, make it pretty, make it.
Hey guys, it's Destiny Wagwan. So I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired. You know, I've been in the house for like basically going on 2 months now. I'm tired. They need to finish with this koro distance. Like, I don't know. This is not the vibe. It's killing the vibe. I can't take this no more. My hot girl summer has been canceled. Now they're talking about canceling a hot girl semester too. No. Y'all need to continue to practice social distancing and staying away from each other, period. Because if y'all don't do that, then more people are just gonna be dying, and they're gonna focus more on healing people than they should on creating a vaccine or cure or something. Like, come on now, this cannot be how the rest of the history of the rest of the world goes. We all in our house. That's not the mood. That's not the vibe. That's not cute. Anyways. So, you know, being in quarantine, I'm making the most of not having anywhere to be at, and I've been creating back to back. And so also creating back to back, I've been in my room for like days on end. I was like, you know, I really like when they put like, what's the word? I really like in rooms when they have that whole like montage collage wall, and it's usually of like magazine covers. And I was like, I don't really buy magazines, so I'm not about to buy one just to like tear out a page, pay for the chance that there's gonna be something there that I want to have on my wall and I look at every single day. So I was like, how can I do that? How? So the answer is just make your own custom posters. And I was like, Destiny, you smart girl. That's what we're gonna do. So to start off, all you're gonna do is pick out some images that you like. I have a Pinterest. I tried Tumblr, but I don't know though. I think the format gave me anxiety. Like, it was stressing me out. So I was like, no, I need something else, especially because Polyvore decided to sell its site. Don't even get me started. Anyways, so ask me why my mom wants to now be doing acapella now that I'm doing a voiceover. Like, let me know. I'd like to know. Anyways, so yeah. So I chose from my main 3 boards, which is Princess, which is my personal aesthetic, like, period. And then High on Life, which is like my adolescence, like, you know, I'm rebellious, I skateboard and I dye my hair, and like I eat strawberries that have been frozen. I don't know. But it's just stuff like that. And then Lifestyle is like my grown, bougie, relationship babies, like lifestyle. Like, I'm an adult, this is me. Yeah. If that makes sense. So I mainly took photos from my Princess board because I wanted to make sure like it strengthened the theme in my room, because my room is more so princess themed. And so I just took like maybe, I think one. I looked elsewhere. I looked in my High Life, and I looked on my Lifestyle, and some other boards that I have that don't fit into those, but I want to keep this stuff. So yeah, if you don't have a Pinterest, I would recommend getting one, or like a Tumblr, or even on Instagram, if any of your save photos that you really liked, just stuff like that. And I also wanted like a music poster, and I was like, okay, what band, like what album do I really like? And I was like, Tame. Oh, not only did I really like, but visually it was a vibe. So I was like, if I take a selfie in front of the blonde cover, in front of the Flower Boy cover, what's that gonna be like? I was like, what do I want? I was like, Tamed Impala. So I chose their current album, and at first I had just picked out what's it called? At first I had just picked out like an image, like a square image, but that didn't work out because I'm printing it on regular printing paper, like US letter styled paper, and I wanted it to fill it up. So to do that, I typed in poster after it when I did the Google search, and that way the dimensions are more compatible with the US letter format of paper. So yeah, then I just went in and I blew up the images by the dimensions of paper. And I tried to choose images that were already close to that dimensions, because if it was square, too much of it was going to get cut out and it wouldn't be that good. Like, it wouldn't be that aesthetically pleasing. So I would say try and do that. And if you have a photo that you really, really like but it's square, then I would say you should tile it, like tile and repeat. But the only thing is that I feel like that's going to take up more ink, and I'm using my mom's printer. So I didn't want to like run out her ink, because this is for her business and she's just letting me do it because she birthed me, you know, basically just because she birthed me. That's why she's letting me use her ink. So yeah, I didn't want to disrespect her or like overstep, so I just decided to blow up all of them. So once I have I chose 8 because again, I didn't want to finish her ink and use like all of it, because I chose to cover my door, and my door is not that big. Like, doing 8 of them covers a decent amount of it. You don't have to do your door. You can literally put these anywhere, but that's just where I decided. I thought that would be the vibiest. Who says the vibiest, bruh? Anyways. And the main reason why I made them reusable was because, I remember like doing OC DIYs when I was younger. Like, anything I would print out would just become tattered because it's paper. Like, it's so flimsy. And B, I'm about to move into my college dorm if this koro stuff can go away. Anyways, but yeah, and I was like, I want to be able to put these up in my room so I can be looking real cute in my SIT dorm, baby. Class of 2022 and 24. Period. But yeah, so this way, no matter how long, no matter if like you're moving one day and you drop your box in a puddle, it's gonna be okay. Or if like something bizarre happens, like a tree falls on your house, your poster is gonna be Gucci. So yeah, now how to laminate it. Okay, so to laminate yourself, what you're gonna need firstly are large Ziploc bags. You're gonna open up this large Ziploc bag and tear it at the meat of the mouth, and then just completely take that down. Don't try and tear the actual bag part of it. Only tear it at the Ziploc stitches, because if you tear the actual bag part, you're gonna stretch the plastic and then it's gonna mess up the look when you try and use it, and it's gonna be you basically can't use it anymore. So just open that up, and then you're gonna use packaging tape preferably. You can use any tape you like, but there's some type of regular tape that the opacity isn't at 100%, so it's gonna look funny and it's gonna blur out your photo. It won't be clear, so you want to make sure that you're using the clearest tape possible. And I prefer packaging tape because it's really, really large, so you don't finish like a whole roll before you even get to your second photo. But I did end up finishing the packaging tape because it was like an old roll. So yeah, here I'm using like regular what's the term, office tape. So what you're gonna do is take your tape and tape down the sides to hold down your piece on a flat surface. I usually film like DIYs over my rug, but because of this kind, I needed a flat surface, so I just used my floor. Sides, leaving some tape outside of the actual picture. You're gonna fill it in strip by strip. I personally don't mind the look of like the strips, like where the tape meets the next piece of tape. I think that's pretty cute. Like, with DIYs, sometimes there's gonna be some type of tell that it was a DIY, you know what I mean? But I feel like those tells are really cute. Like, it's, you know, it's cool. So yeah, so that's just what I did here, and that's what you'll see me doing. And then afterwards, I'm gonna lift it up and then place it on top of the plastic of the Ziploc bag that doesn't have the logo on it. I know Ziploc bags are really bad for the environment, so this isn't the most eco-friendly DIY. I would recommend just doing it back to back with tape. That's what I did before, but then I ran out of tape, so I had to figure out an alternative quickly. Me being the DIY queen that I am, I already knew what's up. I already knew what to do. That is it for your DIY custom reusable posters. I hope you guys are able to learn from it. This is what my ended up looking like. I reprinted the girls one because it was super dark and the other image I liked was a lot better. So I reprinted one and then I moved some stuff around. I try to not have all the ones with text on it in one area and the ones with the same colors not in the same area, so that it looked more even and the flow was better. And yeah, so this is what mine ended up looking like. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay connected with me on all my social medias at Princess Destiny, but no E in Destiny. And if you end up doing this DIY, tag me because I'd love to see it. Bye.
Is that Hollywood?